There it goes. And I mean, old Brad would have put an order here, but like, in my opinion, we've tested it by wicking back up here. So now I'm not looking for a double bounce off it. I'm waiting to see if we flush through. We catch some people that were longs that have their shorts, have their stop losses sitting around here, and I'll get filled at their stop loss, and then we'll be able to go. Yeah, we'll see what happens at 10 a.m. Also, too, there's 25 minutes left on this candle. So if you're going to enter here, you need to be thinking like, can I ride this all the way down to here? You know, that's almost a little over 200 points. That's you'll be $100 in the red if you ride it all the way down to here if you enter here. I want to be in this candle. I just don't know where yet.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in. And we in.
Order submitted.
Yeah. And now, just like we waited to get it filled, now we wait to hit target. First trade of the day, we'll see exactly how much I want to take here. Right now, I have it resting up here at POC. We'll see what happens. You know me, though. If I can grab a quick 15, 10, 15 bucks, I've been known to take it. Been known to take trades off just a little bit early. A little bit early is like my middle name here. I was gonna put my buy stop at that swing. Patient with winners, impatient with losers. That's what I keep telling myself. It's also why I like to take quick, like $10 winners off the open, because sometimes this happens. But that's okay. Little value area shift there. If you saw my left screen bounce a little bit, that's what that was. POC didn't shift. Band's expanding out a little bit. Morning, Corey. How are you, bud? How hot is it down in Florida? Jeez Louise. Yeah, see, and the other thing about taking a nice little base hit here is I would have taken the base hit, and then I would have ended up re-entering and having the same thing, but I would have just given myself $10 a buffer, but not the end of the world. I like that we're starting to stack some support here. That's good news. So I'm going to do exactly what I said I want to do.
Order submitted.
I'm going to take a little piece off the table here. Trail this up a little bit. Take just a little piece. Nice little piece there. All the way, rode it all the way up to, oh, there we go. Go down.
Order filled.
Done.
Order canceled.
Okie dokie, artichoke. That, I mean, doesn't get much better than that. It doesn't get much better than that. 939, almost a new record. 937, I think we were at the other day. We want to go line to line. More inventory. Yeah, I can go for this later in the day. Have a little bit of green in my pocket. I could really shoot for the stars and try and get a couple more points up here to, which it might hit. Might come all the way up to POC. But if you're new to this type of trading and you're new to this strategy, this is what dreams are made of, right? You could have entered T-line. You could have taken heat all the way down from here. We have 431 down to 385, right? 431 down. So we're talking a $20 heat. Look at that. Touched it by a tick. Like, that doesn't happen by accident, guys. That's what this stuff does. I'm just going to flatten everything just while I'm talking.
Order canceled.
And then, you know, more experienced traders or people with a little more inventory, they're holding this all the way here to this target. But for beginners, like, you're taking this up to +1. I mean, -1. Now, what I've been doing is as opposed to just taking my targets there, I've been dropping stops at what targets would have been. And then, like I said, we got a couple more points out of it. That's it. There's no other way to really explain it. This, to me, picture perfect trade. I said I like my $30 winners. New equity high here. There, especially on a day where I wanted to take a short day because I'm going to the beach today. I mean, if it comes back down, maybe I'll play. I don't necessarily want to enter a trade even at -2 yet, because we're still not at range, right? We're at 269 on top of 621. So I'm not even looking to use the bands yet, right? Which is why my initial target really should have been POC. And we'll see. It might get there. We can watch that for a second, but this trade here is the strategy in a nutshell. And it can be done with any instrument. And it can be done on the long or the short side. I mean, even in the last couple of days, just riding this one you would have missed by a tick, but love it. Mike G, how'd I do, bud? Boom. And like I said, flattening everything because I like to manage one trade at a time. Mike Terry.
Are you trying to flatten?
Oh, gosh.
Do you need help organizing something?
Alexa's talking to me. No, thank you. That was Alexa.
Got it.
Mike Terry's in the house. What's up, Mike Terry? So we got Corey and Mike, 2 ultra runners. Stacked. 100 milers on the calendars. Woo. There we go. 72. 9 green days in a row for Mike G. After we both were idiots in the beginning of June, somehow we've talked ourselves into being realistic, which is the power of having people in the space to talk to. Usually it's good when one person's on the edge of the cliff and the other person's trying to talk them off, and you just trade that back and forth. Somebody's always going to be on the edge of the cliff. The problem is when both people are standing on the edge of the cliff holding hands, saying, let's get out of here. I think that was the beginning of June for Mike and I. Oh, gosh, both like, never do this again. But found glimmers of hope. Glimmers of hope. I think that would have been target. Full target? Yep, full target. Right? So how much did I give up on that full target? I came out here at 464 and would have got out at 494. So I gave up $15. So by getting out here and not playing with this and not going to full target, I gave up $14. Which $14 per trade definitely will add up, but I mean, feeling good. Feeling good about this trade. I'm feeling good about today. I think that's going to be it for me today. Yeah, short stream if you weren't here early. I'm trying to get my kids over to the beach today, and family first for me. I took my small piece. I'm happy, and we will be back tomorrow. If I place any more trades, especially I got some option stuff to do before I get on this ferry, you can hop in the Discord. That link is in the description of this video. If you're just getting here and you missed this trade, I will make a recap, but all of this always stays up on YouTube. And yeah, so consider joining that Discord, hop in the chat. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. Happy Canada Day for all the Canadians out there. And if you're considering new prop firms, please consider Tradeify. I've had a great experience. Use my code Brad. It really, really helps the channel. And then tomorrow we'll try and get this first super chat ever. 0 out of 1 super chats. I made this goal up here. Forever known as my first super chat ever. We'll try and get that tomorrow. And yeah, we're definitely going to have fun at the beach. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, go Dow.